What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, what's up? All right, my loves, so in today's video I did go ahead and install this bust down middle part wig. Okay, this hair is super raw, so if you want to know how to get the best hair on the market, I'm talking real raw, like I really think this is raw human hair. Definitely keep watching because it's the truth. Okay, alrighty guys, so first things first, we're going to start off with our bald cap. I did go ahead and put the cap on and put glue all over the perimeter so it can lay down. I use my Ghost Bonds glue. Also, this cap is like that new cap. It's very sheer, which helps with everything just looking even better than it's already gonna look, my girl. Okay, so if you guys want a bald cap tutorial, you guys can definitely comment that down below, but let's get into it. So this is going to be their wig called Ellie, and this is 24 inches, and you guys already know I'm obsessed with this wig. This wig is so bomb. So this wig that we're installing today actually has a monotop, and this just gives like that fake scalp. So in that small screen you guys see, that's like a traditional wig, but with the monotop, oh my god guys, do you see that scalp? That looks like I'm literally holding somebody's head to this camera. It's literally that crazy. So I'm going to show you guys more about that monotop soon, but here we're just cutting out the excess lace in the back, and we're going to go ahead and throw this wig on our head. So I did go ahead and pluck her off camera. Do you guys see? Oof, yeah, I was definitely feeling myself and definitely into it. Like, this wig is the truth, but y'all already knew that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this alcohol, and I'm gonna rub that all over my forehead. This is just gonna remove any oils so we can prepare for our Ghost Bond glue to go on our forehead, making sure everything just stays sticky and, you know, it just lasts, because I be wearing they wigs out, girl, because I love their hair. So I'm gonna go ahead, just do 2 layers of this glue off camera, and now we're gonna lay her down. So as we're laying her down, we're just gonna make sure it's fitting to our head perfectly, which it does. This lace is not too small, not too big. It is literally just perfect. And as you guys see, that part is that monotop. That literally looks like scalp up there, and it is just the truth. That's all I can say about it. So what I'm doing here is I'm just taking the comb and pushing the lace into the glue, making sure everything is just sitting and just looks like it's coming out of our scalp. Then I'm gonna take my elastic band and we're gonna tie her down, and I believe I left it on for about 30 minutes. So I'm gonna leave this band on for probably like 30 minutes to an hour. It's really tight, and I'm going out tonight, so I don't want a headache. But let's show you guys the quality of this hair. Do you guys see how silky? Like, this is giving almost damn near raw. Like, I want to work with this company every time. Like, I don't want any other hair anymore. Like, I have not had a company that has topped this hair quality. Like, this looks expensive. Look at how this hair just flows. I did not even flat iron it. It's just flowing. This hair is gorgeous. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and leave this on. I'm gonna go ahead and just hot comb the roots of the hair so everything is nice and flat and tamed. And yeah, I'm gonna come back and cut the lace with you guys. So here what I'm doing is we're just cutting off the excess lace, like I told you guys. I'm just gonna use an eyebrow razor. I just feel like that was just gonna give me my zigzag cut that I wanted to make this look even more natural. The way this lace is just cutting so effortlessly, like this wig, girl, if you don't get your hands on this wig after this video, I don't know what to tell you. Like, this wig is the truth. Like, wow. Like, that's all I have to say. The hair quality, everything, the lace, like, this is raw. Yeah, this is raw. This is the look. So just because the lace was a tiny bit too light, I am going to go ahead and take a little bit of foundation and put that over the lace, and then to really melt it in, I'm going to take my spritz and put that on the excess lace. But baby, this hair didn't even need all that. It really didn't. Like, this hair just eats and leaves no crumbs every time. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna take my elastic band and put her on again. Then I'm gonna move in with my Sheath Balm wax stick and just work that all over the part, because we are going to hot comb her. My hot comb is at 500 degrees. This hot comb is very hot. Be careful with that monotop, because the texture on the monotop gives a little bit rubbery, and I didn't want it to melt, which it did not melt. Okay guys, so I did go ahead and do my eyes a little bit off camera. I'm in the middle of doing my makeup and I decided I want to add edges to this wig, even though it eats without edges, but like, yeah, I'm gonna add edges. So yeah, I'll be back. You guys see me do edges 1,000 times, so if you guys want a tutorial, let me know, but I'll be back while I go get this, you know, together. All right guys, so I did go ahead and do my makeup. You guys know this is like my regular baddie glam. So this is what the part looks like you guys know, this is a special kind of lace. Like, they have this new technology where it literally looks like a fake scalp, which is super duper dope. I think that was really, really cool. However, for me, because I'm a little bit more tan, and I can only imagine girls that are darker than my complexion, this is gonna be way too light. So I'm gonna still go in with my foundation shade. This is really concealer, but concealer, foundation, same thing. I'm gonna go ahead and just go in and darken that because it's not matching to like fix that look. And take a little black spray. You guys see those little spots right there? Not a fan of that, so let's get some black spray. The black spray that I use, sometimes if you don't have black spray, you can just use eyeshadow. Eyeshadow is low-key a little safer because it, like, you can control it better. Black spray can get a little bit difficult sometimes, so I'm going to show you my technique. I'm just going to take a rat tail comb like this, and I'm going to put it on the part like very straight, and then I'm just going to spray around it. So I got a little black spray in my part, but that's okay. Go back right here, and I'm just gonna spray this part. That's it. And then this, like that black spray, if you did use black spray, it needs to dry down a little bit before you like manipulate it too much. But it just looks very, very clean. So this is what the wig looks like. You guys know I'm obsessed. I've always told you guys, let me zoom out for you guys. But I've always told you guys I'm absolutely obsessed with this company. I really, really do think that they have the best hair. You can instantly just see the difference from other hair companies and their hair. Their hair is very, very high quality. Like, this almost looks like raw hair. This looks like, I can't even explain it. Like, this is very, like, that's different. This hair is very different. I am receiving a little bit of shedding, but that could be due to the fact that I did pluck this wig, so I'm not sure. But for the most part, this hair is super duper bomb. It is Team Stacey approved, so go ahead and click that description box, jump in there, find the purchasing link, and I got some promo codes and all that good stuff so you guys can shop. But yeah, this hair is super bomb. I actually don't have my flat iron at my shop, so I didn't flat iron it, but this is literally what it looks like out the box. Like, that's raw. So love you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for tapping in. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and just join the team and just do it like Nike. I love you guys so much, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.